kind of what that is. If you guys didn't,
We have PCs.
if you guys didn't see, go
My steps.
okay. We got one side. Whew. On a Friday, if even, it's fine. Those mufflers might get obliterated coming out of the driveway.
That's what I'm hoping doesn't happen. I can slightly maneuver this so you can fucking adjust those.
Let me.
Okay.
See, that's the shitty thing. You move one side, it's gonna push the other side barely. So it's hard to get them both at the same time.
Alright. Here we go. First started. What? That's quiet. Okay, we're gonna listen for some exhaust so we can learn how you will.
Why is it?
It probably gets loud at RPM.
So it's getting test pipes anyway.
It'll get loud at RPM, especially when we're racing.
Wait, give us some more. Yeah, it sounds good.
Sounds really good.
I'm sure it's gonna have like.
Sounds so nice.
It's getting louder by every pull.
Yeah.
Like, you can tell. I can tell.
It smells now.